Okay, Johnny, got the LCSP1V2 wired in. Now I've got it set up to where that it's plug and play. Okay, see that connector right there? That's got the brown, yellow, and black wire going into it. That's from your mic connector, and it normally goes into your echo board. What I did was unplug it from the echo board, and I set up a socket where that now it plugs into the LCSP1V2. Okay, and then I take the output of the LCSP1V2 and I plug it into the echo board where the mic connector was connected. Okay, so your audio now goes through the SP1 into the echo board. All right, and the switch, I need to talk to you about the switch. As you can see, maybe you can't see, get it around here so you can see, that corner right there around the mic connector where I wanted to put it is full. That little PC board keeps me from putting this switch down there. The only other thing I could do with it is put it on the other side, but then I can't put it up close to the front because of that big old hole they got there in the side for the mic connector. So I wanted to see if you would be okay. I know you don't want me to put it in the back, but if I wanted to see if you would be okay with me putting it up here in the front corner of the bottom cover. That way you could still get to it, but I don't know if you got things that would be in the way underneath the radio or not. But anyway, I wanted to let you hear it real quick, so let me position this thing. Alright, you notice you have gain and compression on this thing. The gain basically is like your mic gain. I've got it set now so that it doesn't squeal inside the radio, even with your mic gain on the front of the radio turned all the way up. Okay, and I got the compression level set to where it's optimum. But you can always go in here and adjust these. But you need to know there's also a mic gain on the echo board, that little adjustment right there. So they're both set up so that it works with a stock mic. If you want to use a power mic, then you're going to need to turn the gain down either on that thing or on this thing. Okay, you might be able to turn it down far enough with the mic gain on the front of the radio, but if you use a stock mic, then these are set up perfectly for it. I got a pretty good idea you're going to want to use the mic that came with it, the SRA-158. Okay. All right. On my Yaesu, I got it set up for AM, and when you change to AM, the damn thing changes frequency. Let me center it back up again. I have to take it out of lock. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to set the camera down to where it'll pick it up. Right now I've got the LCSP1 is switched off. Hello, audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, and I'm going to turn it on. Hello, audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test. And it's squealing because it's hearing the audio come out of the Yaesu. Let me turn the Yaesu down some. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test. Okay. Turn it up a little bit where you can hear it a little better. Audio 1 2 3 3 2 1. Audio test, testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Hello test. This is with the SP1 turned on. Now, of course, if I didn't have that other radio up there and us trying to listen to it, then it wouldn't squeal. Of course, it's getting feedback from that radio. Okay, this is with the SP1 turned off. I'm gonna keep the mic keyed, and that buzzing you hear is coming from these damn LED lights. Okay, now I turn the SP1 on. Hello, audio 1 2 And that's off. There's off right there. There's on right there. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2. There it is, off again, okay? So it's working really good with your radio. But, yeah, I need you to reply to me about the switch. I think that I hate punching holes in covers, but that's going to be about the best spot to put it. Right here in this corner. So, let me know what you think. I can possibly mount it on that other side over there if I drill another hole in the side. I don't know. That's going to be real close to your mounting bracket where that hole is right there. I don't know if you can see the little brass nuts there is where your mounting bracket comes through the frame. And that hole right there in front of it, that small hole right there in front of it, I could probably put the switch there. But, you know, I can't go much further towards the front with it because then it'll interfere with the channel selector. And if I go much further towards that big hole right there, it won't be nothing to hold the switch in place. So, anyway, get back to me on that. But anyway, it's working great. Got it all hooked up for you. Like I said, you know, it's plug in. If you decide you ever want to put it back or if something goes bad, you need to send it back to me, you can just unplug it and send it back, okay? All right.